So maybe you are so excited and this is the first time to start Java language. Before to start the coding part, we should have JDK in our computer, and after that we are going to save and we are going to download the Visual Studio in our computer. Maybe you are using different coding applications, and as I know the Visual Studio for Windows is better, and I recommend this one. But you can use any like Node++, Node, and other software. So to start the JDK, we should go and install it. So now to download the JDK in your browser, just write JDK download. In the first website, click here Java downloads. Scroll down. In this part, you see Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. So it depends on your computer. I'm using Windows. Clicking here Windows. After that, in this part, just click on this link. The JDK are going to install right now. So you see it is going, but I have JDK in my computer, so I do need to download the JDK. After downloading the JDK, so you should have a coder or software to write the code on that one. To write that one, I recommend Visual Studio for you. Visual Studio download. If you want to download Visual Studio, so write Visual Studio download. In this part, it's the official website of Visual Studio Code. Download Visual Studio. Scroll down here. If you are using the Windows 10 or 11, use installer, this one. So just click on Windows here. You see here, thanks for downloading. Is good. Download not starting, but my download is already started. Okay, so for me, I also have the GTK user setup, but again I'm waiting to show how to install it. So after downloading, you are going to install it. I'm clicking on vSCOPE. Okay, I accept the agreement. Click next, next, next. It's installed. Click finish. Okay, as I had a GDK as a Visual Studio before, so for me I just like updated mine. It's working. So now after installing the Visual Studio, what should you do? You should go to your this part, terminal, or you can also find the terminal in these three dots, terminal, new terminal. Before to start the coding, you should write that is the JDK installed in your computer or no. You should write Java version. If you see such a thing, it means your GTK is successfully installed. But in other case, if you didn't see such a thing and you saw something different, that means your GDK didn't install. What should you do? You should go to your computer and search for system environment. In this place, click here. After coming this pop-up, click on environment variables. In this part, come down. If you didn't see the path, in that case you should go to your files, C file, uh, program files, Java. This is the GTK I have installed, bin, and you should copy this link, this path, and create a new, right here path. In this part, paste the path. After pasting this path, click on OK. For now, I have the GTK and my path is working well. After that, when you created the path and you come here in this place, you will see all the paths that are installed in GTK. So after clicking OK, I believe your JDK is working well, and if you write the Java version, I believe your Java version be connected well. After that, your Java is working and it's time to start the coding. It are going to work well.